Hello everyone, this is Kweku from Next Gen Windows, and the moment you've all been waiting for, E3, the Entertainment Expo, whatever the third letter is for, yeah, that was today, and Microsoft's big day was today for that too. And as you can see by the headline on WP Central, written by Jez Corden, Cortana heads to Xbox One later this year in a huge dashboard revamp. Now, I was out when this news came out, and I came back and I was searching all over the web for it because it doesn't look like it broke too many sources. And it looks as if, let me click on the screen to make it full. It looks as if, yeah, it's a pretty big revamp. First of all, you got Cortana coming to Xbox One. Voice dictation features Windows Phone users have been enjoying for a while are coming to the console. So basically, they did an example where Cortana would ask Cortana to invite, say, Ashley to a party, and it would do it automatically while you're in the game. So it would be very quick. You didn't have to double tap the Xbox button and then snap party and go through all the extra jazz just to get to that stuff. You just simply said that and it would just worked. Now, of course, I know for a fact this thing is not going to be perfect because, let's be honest, none of these things are as perfect as what's in the stage shows. But it will work, and because all of these things do end up working, it just takes some extra time for it to work. So this is a really cool feature. It saves so much time, and as well as what another thing you can do is you can record and share to activity feed right away. So they said record the last minute and share it to my activity feed of my gameplay. And what do you know it did with this Fable Legends screenshot down here? It did that very thing, and it shared it to his activity feed. It even asked if they wanted to add more, redo it, or cancel it. And that was a really cool thing that they added. Now here is the new kind of snap type view that they have. You know, Windows 10 doesn't really have the Windows 8-esque snapping everything together. It's more just desktop tiles and desktop things, windows going over each other like classic. Now this is a new way. This is what you're going to see when you double tap the Xbox button from now on. You're going to see this menu right here. Can I click this for full screen? No, I can't. But this is what you're going to see when you tap the Xbox button. So essentially you're going to see, let me see if I can zoom in. Oops, that was not what I wanted to do. Let me see if I can zoom in. There you go. You're going to see this right here. So you're going to see this screen here, which gets you to allows you to start a party chat right away, see your friends, see offline, and it looks like you have Cortana, you have your friends, you have this globe icon, which I'm not sure what that is. You got your messages and settings, and then it looks like Snap is still there. I see it down there. It looks like the Snap button, only it says Snap for this side. I don't know whether it's going to be on this side still, or whether it's going to switch to the left, or maybe you can move where the things are going to snap, whether you snap from the left or right, I don't know. But you're going to get that. And another thing you're going to see is here, this is what you're going to see when you first turn on your Xbox One. You're going to see this layout screen here. So pretty much my Xbox One is going to look exactly like this because I have The Witcher 3, I have Ori the Blind Forest, I have Netflix, and I don't know what collection is though, so that's something that's different. But essentially, this is what you're going to see as your home. So you're going to have Community tab, Store tab, and Home tab, and then you're going to have your profile on the side. So that's quite interesting. And the same things you saw when you brought in the party chat thing, double tapping Xbox button, you see it right here. And they also mentioned that as soon as you hover over a game, you have the Game Hub right there. You can click on. You have your expansion pack. You can see if there's any DLC available. And this one is, for example, is the expansion pass. Then you can see. This is update your look with the beard and hairstyle set. So I guess this is trending DLC or new. This is actually news from the developer that just came out. So like they did talk about this on the Xbox One. So yeah, there is a full video which I'll post at the end of this video. You'll see the full video of them breaking it down, talking about all these features for anything that I missed. But other than that, you're going to see your activity feed is under community. Your home is going to be this right here, almost reminiscing like the PlayStation days, only with more information, PlayStation 3 days. And then you're going to see Cortana pretty much. And then the one last thing that they were talking about is their main focus for this dashboard update is speed. It needs to be faster, much faster. And I completely agree. I complained so many times to my friends on Xbox Live how it was very sluggish. It was very slow. And I feel like it was because of all the animations going on the screen at the same time as you can see. So you got right here. Doesn't look like there's going to be very many animations. In fact, I don't even see avatar support still, but we'll see what happens later on. This dashboard update is coming very soon. They say this holiday season. Hopefully it comes out sooner for preview people and like myself. That way I can show it off to you guys and you can let me know what you think. This is Kweku for Next Gen Windows, and this has been the brand new Xbox One dashboard coming holiday 2015. If you have any more questions or what you think about E3 altogether, leave a comment in the section below, and I'll be talking about the games next, probably tomorrow, of what comes out of E3. Catch you guys later. Peace.